Before leaving us today, please check about your seat area, seat pockets, overhead compartments for any articles you may have brought with you. When opening the overhead compartment, please be very careful as your items being shifted during our flight. Once again, double check your surrounding areas for any of your personal belongings, especially those seat pockets. Once you step off the aircraft, you're not allowed back on. As you leave us today, please watch your step as you place portable change onto the jetway and refrain from smoking until you're well within a designated smoking area. For guests needing wheelchair assistance, we're going to ask that you please remain seated until the maximum passengers have disembarked this aircraft, allowing our porters to better assist you. We'll let you know when the wheelchairs are ready for you. For guests who may engage in items such as car seats, strollers, or assistive devices, please allow our ground staff a few moments to make these items available to you. They will be brought up the jetway located outside the boarding doors.